this is a good problem to solve. Moving away from cohorts and into Evergreen is the problem we want to solve. Breaking it down into phases, maybe these people are just not in the right phases, or we have not identified what the phases are so we can best serve them, and then putting people in place that are experts in those phases. You get what I'm saying?
Kind of.
Yeah, with this one, so many people are starting from nothing.
So then it sounds like the most support is needed at the beginning, because it's like literally grasping the knowledge first to then be able to explore.
Yeah.
And where does the burnout come from? From dealing with the people that need to grasp the knowledge, or?
Andrea, what is it for you? Because Katie said what it is for her.
For me, it's trying to manage being on for the classes and the Zooms, and then trying to handle the client work. That's what it is for me. So, well, between the three of us and Nicole traveling all over the place. So, yes.
Okay, so we need a dedicated client success specialist for just the course, and dedicated client success specialist for just the services.